Hi, Lisa. You participated at the Food Packaging Forum's workshop in 2020. You gave a presentation. How did you like the workshop? It was the first online-only workshop that we did at Food Packaging Forum.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it, and it was great to see that so many people participated online and were interested in discussing that topic. And from the question and answer session I was part of, I can say that we had a really vivid discussion, for example, about how we can practically achieve that we only have non-toxic plastic products on the market. So I really enjoyed that.
Okay, great. So you mentioned it already, you work on the toxicity of materials, of plastics, and your presentation at the workshop was entitled Recent Analysis on the Toxicities of Bioplastics and Plant-Based Materials. Can you give us the highlights from your talk? What was the key message?
So yeah, as you already said, in our research, we are investigating the chemical safety of plastics. And our study results demonstrate that conventional plastics, as well as their bio-based and biodegradable alternatives, contain a large number and variety of chemicals that induce in vitro toxicity. And thus, aspects of chemical safety must be given more consideration in the design of materials, no matter if it's biomaterials or conventional plastics.
Interesting. So you said in vitro toxicity. Can you explain that a little bit more in detail, please? What does that mean?
Yeah, so that's cell culture-based assays, which are looking at different endpoints, as for example, in our case, at unspecific toxicity and endocrine activity.
Okay, great. So if people want to know more, they can watch your full presentation.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thanks, Jean.